Hello kids, how are you? Fine, that's good. I hope all of you did your practice very well, which I had given in last session. Let's revise it. This is A. A for apple. Slanting line and sleeping line makes A. B. B for ball. Standing line, small curve and again small curve makes B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. One curve from red line to blue line makes C. D. Standing line and curve makes D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. Standing line, sleeping line and small sleeping line on a blue line makes letter E. This is F. F for fish. Standing line makes letter F. G. G for grapes. Curve and sleeping line on a blue line makes letter G. This is H. H for horse. Standing line and sleeping line makes H. H for horse. And this is I. I for ice cream. Very good. Sleeping line and standing line makes letter I. I for ice cream. That's good. Now we go for the writing practice of letters. Let's start with letter J. Sleeping line on a red line, standing line from a red line to blue line and curve makes letter J. J for joker. Again, sleeping line, standing line and curve. J. J for joker. Now letter K. Standing line from a red line to blue line, slanting line from a blue line to red line like this, and another slanting line from upper blue line to lower blue line like this. It makes letter K. Again, standing line, slanting line, another slanting line makes K. Isn't it easy, kids? Yes. Now letter L. Standing line from a red line to blue line and sleeping line on a blue line makes letter L. L for lion. Yes. Standing line and sleeping line makes letter L. L for lion. Now letter M. Standing line from a red line to blue line, slanting line from a red line to blue line, again slanting line and standing line makes letter M. M for monkey. Again, standing line, slanting line, another slanting line and standing line. M. M for monkey. Now letter N. Standing line from a red line to blue line, slanting line from a red line to lower blue line and again standing line from a blue line to red line makes letter N. Standing line, slanting line and another standing line makes letter N. N for nest. Now kids, it's time to write O. And you know what? O is like a ball. So O, starting from the red line, round and round, makes letter O. O for orange. Again, round and round, just like a ball, makes letter O. O for orange. Now letter P. Standing line from a red line to blue line and small curve like this makes letter P. P for parrot. Again, standing line and curve makes letter P. P for parrot. Now letter Q. Q is just like a O and small slanting line makes letter Q. Q for queen. Again, O and slanting line Q. Isn't it easy, kids? Yes. Now letter R. Standing line from a red line to blue line, small curve and slanting line makes letter R. R for rabbit. Again, standing line, curve and slanting line makes letter R. R for rabbit. Got it, kids? Now kids, we revise today's letter. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. And R. R for rabbit. So got it, kids? Very good, kids.
Now it's time for your practice works. You have to write this letter in your book and match this capital letter with capital letters. Stay safe at your home and I will come with remaining letters in your next session. Till then, bye kids. Have a good time.